AI isn't just about something or automating work. It's about creating new income stream while you sleep. After studying what creators and freelancers are actually doing with AI right now, I found some realistic passive income strategies that you can start in 2025, even if you have no technical background. First strategy: AI generated content automation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Munch, or Opus Clip to repurpose long videos into short form content and monetize through YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok. Tip: focus on evergreen topics, tutorials, finance, and motivation, since they keep getting views. For example, creators on Reddit reported earning 50 to 200 bucks a month using automation templates plus auto upload workflows with tools like Zapier or Make.com. So you don't have to look very far away from ChatGPT, because you can explore in the GPT's basically plugins, you can say, and download any tools you want, right? As you can see right here, I downloaded Veed.io, which basically can turn text into a video. So you can do that and download AI thumbnail generator from ChatGPT. So you don't have to look far away. Strategy 2, all AI print on demand business. Platforms like Kiro, Canva AI, or Leonardo AI can design t-shirt art, right? You could just type right here, t-shirt. Okay, you can see many templates and many design by just hitting right here, design. Okay, it could design t-shirt art, mugs, and posters. Upload those to Redbubble or Etsy and let the platform handle orders. Hack: use ChatGPT to brainstorm micro niche ideas. For example, funny quotes for teachers. Funny quotes for teachers. Okay. Or minimalist gym slogans. Low effort, long term reward. Okay. So, strategy 3. Okay. Create and sell digital templates. Use Notion or Canva to design planners, ebook layout, right? You could just type right here, ebook, right? Generally speaking. And basically, our Notion dashboards, sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Pro tip: add a 2-minute tutorial video using Picalabs or HeyGen. Listings with visuals convert 10 to 3x higher, okay? Because most people are pretty much like visuals. Strategy 4, build a micro SaaS with no code. Use tools like Bubble or Replit Ghostwriter. GPT Builder allow you to create AI-powered apps without coding. Example: someone built a resume checker using GPT-4 plus Bubble and earns recurring income through $5 a month subscriptions. Right? I want to build a marketplace for artisans to sell handcrafted goods to consumers in New York. Right? That's one example. You can build a lot of examples out of that. Lastly, AI affiliate marketing. Use Perplexity AI or Jasper AI to generate blog content optimized for SEO. Then add affiliate links. Hack: write in question-based formats like best, right here on AI, Perplexity AI, best AI tools for small businesses. Okay. For small business owners, 2025. This ranks higher and attract purchase-ready visitors. So these 5 strategies are low risk, beginner-friendly, and powered by free AI tools. Don't try all at once. Pick one, test it out for 30 days, then expand. The key to AI passive income is consistency, plus automation, not speed. Stick with one model until it compounds. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.